Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is a quick unboxing and some initial impressions of the Mobistar CQ. By the way guys, I will be giving away this phone, so stay tuned till the end to know how to participate in the giveaway. Now with that said, this is the box. On the front we have a quick preview of how the phone looks. At the top it says Mobistar, CQ on the top right corner, and at the bottom it says Selfie Star, as this is a selfie centric phone. On the back we have some highlighting features, technical specifications, IMEI number and so on. Now let's just get on with the unboxing. Just in case if you've never heard about this brand, Mobistar is a Vietnam based company which has launched two phones in the Indian market just today. Both phones will be sold exclusively on Flipkart online, and this is one of those phones which is priced at 5,000 rupees and it's available in black and gold colors. So guys, now that the box is open, at the top we have the phone. Let's come back to it later. Next we have some documentation, just a quick start guide. That's followed by a micro USB charging cable for data syncing and charging. After that we have a 7.5 watt power adapter. And finally we have the SIM card ejector. Now let's come back to the phone. On the back we have a sticker with IMEI number. Let me just peel this off and the sticker on the front. So guys, this is how the phone looks. Let's just have a quick physical overview and then check out the specs. This phone has a complete plastic build with tapered edges. So when you hold it in your hand, it's very comfortable to hold. On the right side, it has a power and volume buttons which have a nice tactile feel to it. On the left side, it has a SIM card tray that houses two SIM slots and a dedicated SD card slot. At the top, it has just the audio jack, and at the bottom, it has a micro USB charging port and a microphone hole. On the back, it has an 8 megapixel camera followed by a single LED flash, Mobistar branding and a speaker grill at the bottom. On the front, it is a 5-inch IPS HD display with the regular 16:9 aspect ratio, protected by a 2.75D curved glass, which definitely looks pretty unique. Above the display, it has the sensors, earpiece and a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, and below the display, it has capacitive buttons. Under the hood, it sports a Snapdragon 425 processor with Adreno 308 GPU with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, along with a 3020 mAh battery. It has a thickness of 9.6 mm and weighs 156 grams. Right out of the box, we get about 1GB of free RAM, and out of the 16GB of storage, we get about 9GB for our user apps and user data. This is the About page. This phone is running a skinned version of Android based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat. Now this is the camera application. Nothing fancy. We have the option to record video at 1080p resolution. It also has Face Beauty for the front and rear cameras, and these are the sample shots. Being a selfie-centric phone, selfies do come out pretty good. Now these are some pictures taken with the rear camera. So guys, on the whole, for a starting price of 5,000 rupees, this is definitely a great value for money and definitely a great alternative for the Redmi 5A, which is currently priced at 6,000 rupees and it's still sold in the weekly flash sales. Now coming to the giveaway, it is pretty simple to participate. Just follow the instructions in the description, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, and do the same for Mobistar. You need to like them on Facebook and follow them on Twitter. And once you're done, comment below this video and I'll pick a random winner on 30th of May. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want us to make any specific video about this phone, let us know by commenting below this video. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.